Pakistan turned to the United States for urgent diplomatic support during India's airstrikes on Pakistani air bases and terror infrastructure, according to the US government filings that have now come to light. The disclosures, accessed by a national media, contradict Islamabad's public claims during India's military campaign, Operation Sindoor, and expose what officials describe as a sustained misinformation effort. Documents filed under the US Foreign Agents Registration Act show that Pakistan feared India's military action that had only been paused and could resume at any time. The filing, submitted by Pakistani lobby firm Squire Patton Boggs on behalf of Islamabad after Operation Sindoor, stated concerns that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had indicated India's operations were merely suspended, not concluded. Operation Sindoor was launched in May as India's large-scale military response to the terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, where 26 civilians were killed by Pakistan-backed terrorists. On May 7, Indian airstrikes reportedly eliminated more than 100 terrorists inside Pakistani territory, triggering a brief military confrontation that ended with a ceasefire on May 10. The US filing also undermines Pakistan's claim that India sought a ceasefire. According to the documents, it was Pakistani military commanders who initiated the request after assessing the damage and recognizing the imbalance between the two forces. As fears grew that Indian strikes could restart, Islamabad approached US President Donald Trump for intervention. Prime Minister Modi later reiterated in Parliament that Operation Sindoor was merely suspended and warned that any further provocation would invite a strong response. Separate US filings have also highlighted Pakistan's extensive lobbying efforts in Washington, including more than 50 meetings with American lawmakers and senior officials. Another document confirms that India neither sought US mediation nor raised ceasefire discussions in official engagements, contradicting repeated assertions made by President Trump.